Hello, you motorcycle enthusiasts. In addition to the disassembly and assembly videos you're already familiar with, here's a short video series that will give you a closer look at the contents of Keyster repair kits. I'll show you what's inside and what it's used for. And what we've got on the table here is the rebuild kit for the Honda CM200. So let's get going first. We got a partial load needle right here with a corresponding clip and this little spring, and that's going to lock the whole shebang right into the slider. And then we've got the idle jet right here, the main jet and a new float needle. Then we've got a new idle screw right here. It's got to be fitted in this order, just as I've laid it out right here. First the screw with a spring on it, then the small washer, and then the O-ring. As you can see, there's another little spring right here, and you can see that the idle mixture screw spring is slightly smaller, so don't mix the two up. So the larger one goes with this screw, and that's the one to adjust the idle speed. And then we've got these three O-rings right here. This one's for the drain plug, and this one is for the carburetor housing at the flange, where it then goes into the engine. And this large ring right here seals the flow chamber, so you have to make sure that this is properly fitted into the groove of the flow chamber. And that should pretty much cover it. Yes, friends, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. We appreciate your support through subscriptions and wish you lots of fun while working on your projects. Until the next video, ciao.